Hey, hello, and welcome to all my lovely students out there. Today, I just wish to share with you a simple trick to make your calculation easy. Exams are around the corner, and you should manage on time management. Practice more, solve more sums, and use these simple tricks which can make your calculation easy. Now, few students may be already aware about this simple method. For those who are not aware, you can share it with your other friends and also ask them to subscribe to the channel so that we can come across more such tricks. To start with, if you have any number, that is a number of this type, we all know that 5 square is 25. So if you have to do square of numbers like 15 square or 25 square, these all many students can do it very comfortably, no need of any trick. But 45 square, heavy numbers like 55 square, for such numbers we have a simple trick. Now how does this trick work? First and foremost, this will work for numbers, squares of numbers where you have 5 onto your units place. 5 should be there on the units place. Okay. So 15 square, 25 square, 45 square, 55 square. You can see onto the units place you have 5. And 5 square we already know. So how to do with this trick is that first to find out how much is 5 square. 5 square we all know it is 25. So first write that 25. Now in your mind, look onto the tens place digit. Here the tens place digit is 1. When you are counting numbers, which is the number which comes after 1? Counting numbers, natural numbers. After 1, you have the next number as 2. Just multiply those two numbers. 1 into 2 is equal to 2, right? So this 2, put it here and you have the answer. Rather than doing 15 into 15, you have the answer within seconds. So 15 square is equal to 225. Similarly, let us solve this one. 5 square is 25. Which is the digit onto tens place? 2. Which is the number that comes after 2? After 2 we have 3. So just multiply. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Similarly, going to heavy numbers, 45. 5 square, again 25. After 4, the next number is 5. Multiply 4 5s are 20. So we have 45 square as 2025. 2025. 55 square similarly do. 5 square you will write 25. Leave space here. After 5, the next number is 6. And 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So we have the answer as 3025. Similarly, you can do this with any number. Let us take a 3-digit number now. 125 square. 5 square is equal to 25. Now 12. After 12, the next number is 13. 12 into 13. Quickly multiply and check. 12 into 13. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2. 1 and you have 156. So your 125 square is 15625. Okay. So you are taking time to multiply 12 and 13 rather than multiplying 125 into 125. I hope you are getting it. Similarly, let us take few more examples. 43 and 5. 435 the whole square. Okay. So again 5 square 25. After 43, the next number is 44. So we'll multiply 43 into 44. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 16, 17, 0. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 16 and 17. 2, 9, 8, 1. 1892. 1892 and 25. Similarly, you can do with any numbers. Okay. 65, 75, 85, 95. 95 square. Just in your mind calculate. 5 square is 25. After 9, the next number is 10. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. So the answer for 95 square is 9025. Similarly, check with certain numbers. Few numbers I'll tell you. Take 155, okay, the whole square. Similarly, take 205, the whole square. Find out the answer and then check it. So using the trick, what answer you got for 155, the whole square? First you wrote 5 square 25. After 15, the next number is 16. So you multiplied 15 into 16, you got 240. And 155, the whole square will be 24025. Similarly, 205, the whole square. 5 square 25 you wrote. Then we have 20. The next number after 20 is 21. You multiply 21 into 20, you got 420, and the final answer will be 42025. Okay, so please use this trick or this easy way to calculate during your mathematical calculation so that you spend less time in calculation and more time in checking your answers. Fine. So if you liked it, please share it with your other friends, and we will be meeting with another trick soon. Drop in your comments. Bye, students.